We are looking at communications and technology as our topic today. On the features of network topology, the term network topology is the arrangement of network or the layout of network. It defines the way different nodes are placed and interconnected to each other. It describes how data is transferred between nodes. Also, there are two types of network topology, which are physical topology and logical topology. Physical topology emphasizes on the physical layout of connected nodes, while logical topology focuses on the pattern of the transfer of data between the network nodes. The first topology we are looking at is the star topology. On the star topology, all the computers are connected to a central device which is called a hub. The hub is the central node, and all other nodes are connected to it. Every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. Also, on the star topology, the hub acts as the repeater for the data flow. It can be used with a twisted pair or optical fiber or coaxial cable. The star topology has got its own advantages and disadvantages. One of the advantages of the star topology is that it is the fast performance if there are few computers or nodes, or if there is low network traffic. Also, the central hub can be easily upgraded easily. It is also easy to set up and modify. Also, failure of one node will not affect other nodes since the network comes from the central hub. On the disadvantages of star topology, the cost of installation is very high. It is also expensive to use. Again, if the hub fails, it means the whole network is affected. The performance, again, is based on the capacity of the hub, meaning to say if the hub is small, it means the performance will be also slow. Then the second topology we are looking at today is the ring topology. On the ring topology, the computers are connected to one another with the last one connected to the first one to form a ring-like shape. Messages travel around the ring with each node reading those messages addressed to it. Each node acts as a receiver and a sender, that the other end is for receiving and the other end is for sending. However, it's got certain features, which are a message in this topology is transmitted in one way, and also it flows in a sequential way. Ring topologies got its own merits. For example, it is cheap to install and expand. Also, transmitting network is not affected by hard traffic. Then only the disadvantages of ring topology. In this type of network, troubleshooting is difficult. Also, failure of one node affects the whole network. It has got a demerit in a sense that if you want to add one computer or to delete one computer, it disturbs the whole network. Then the last topology we are looking today is the bus topology. On the bus topology, every computers and network devices are connected to the central cable, which we call the backbone. The backbone has two ending points which you call the terminators. And the duty of these terminators is to absorb the signals so that they do not flow back. Network in this type of topology is transmitted in one direction. And every device is connected to on its single cable. The advantages of bus topology is that it is cost effective and is also easy to understand, since it is used in small area networks. Also, the cables required is less as we compare to other network topologies. It is also easy to expand by just joining the two cables from the backbone. Then the disadvantage of this bus topology: if the backbone fails, it means the whole network is affected. Also, if the network is heavy or there are more nodes or computers, the performance of the network also decreases. It is also slower in a ranked topology. Also, the cables being used in the bus topologies has got a limited length. RR2216264X, ICT 235, E-learning principles and practice.